In this video, we're going to take a look at how to track individual student progress in your class. To begin, you're going to want to open up the class that you are intending to track. You can access your class via your dashboard or by clicking on the class's menu item. From there, you're going to click on the Members tab in the class. Here on the Members page, you'll see all of the students and other users that are enrolled in your class. Here you'll see the user progress for that particular student. This gives you an overall look at the total course completion, but if you want to get more granular, you can simply click to view the progress of that student. Here in the enlarged look at the student's progress in the course, you'll see each module and each completable object in that module for students to complete. You can open and collapse modules as shown, and you can see all of the items that students have completed or have yet to complete. Things marked as teachers' materials are not completable by students and do not go towards their overall completion of the class. Things like assignments, lessons, quizzes, and so much more go towards this overall course completion. On the student side of things, they can see their own progress as they work through the class, and when they are completing different things like lessons or readings, they will have a button where they can mark it as complete, and that will contribute to their overall progress in the course. For things like assignments and quizzes, the completion and submission of those different activities will allow them to add to their completion in the course overall. Thank you for watching this video, and be sure to check out the other tutorial videos for STEMFuse Educate.